Quant rejected a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just hit over 100 Telegram members. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are not in this channel, you are missing out on some insane insight. Make sure to check it out. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Quant yesterday, we did see a beautiful retest of our support level here at 144. And you guys already know I mentioned the fact that in order for us to continue this bullish move set, we would like to see a clean retest of 154 and a strong bullish engulfing candle. As of right now, though, you can see that we have rejected the level almost perfectly, as well as the fact that we are continuing to retest our exponential moving averages, which is going to be a very crucial point for Quant overall. Ideally, right now, what I would like to see is a strong continuation pattern, but of course, things are looking extremely bearish. You can see that although we did break above 154, the bulls obviously failed to hold that level as support, as well as the fact you can see that we saw multiple retest opportunities and a form of rejection with no clean indication whether or not Quant will be able to continue pushing on higher. But of course, right now, if we do see a strong continuation, we could be looking for a possible take profit level all the way up here at 175. The reason, as you guys already know, that level is going to be playing a very large moment for Quant overall, because this is pretty much where the move set started, and this is where the bullish case likely is going to end up. Now, I do want to talk about the current state of the 4-hour time frames, because as of right now, you can see that we have retested and rejected the 154 level once again, which of course could be a very bearish formation. I mentioned in the previous video that once we test the 154 level, we could be looking for a possible local top on Quant because of the fact of how large of a range we've had from all the way down at $99. Of course, this would become invalidated if we did end up trading above the 154, but as you guys can see, we are starting to look completely bearish because of how many bearish engulfing candles we saw over here. Any clean break below the level of 144 would mean the fact that we are ready to continue for a massive move to the downside, and that area of take profit would be around the 124. Now, speaking about the 124 support level itself, you can see that we have already tested this level twice. This would become the third test opportunity, and on the third test, you guys know it could be a massive breakdown formation. So once we break that 124 level, ladies and gentlemen, that will be your confirmation to be looking for a massive shorting opportunity. On the hourly time frames, you can see that although we did retest the exponential moving averages, we are still using them as support. Although we are seeing multiple rejection candlesticks, this area will be still considered a no trade zone. Ideally, what you want to do is wait for a clean confirmation or a clean breakdown formation from these exponential moving averages in order for us to look for a range. But right now, the fact that we are consolidating on Quant would mean that we aren't really necessarily looking for a trade right now. What you want to do is you want to wait for that clean confirmation to the upside, get that area of support once we retest it, and then go for the long position for the overall market. And of course, the same thing once we break support level, wait for support to break, retest as resistance, and then get the confirmation to the downside. I do want to talk about the daily time frames though really quickly, because as of right now, you can see on the daily we have broken below this major resistance level as well. But if you notice that we haven't really retested our 20 exponential moving average, you can see from yesterday's video I mentioned the fact that because Quant had such a large range, we have yet to go and retest this EMA. So I wouldn't be surprised if we actually did end up getting that retest now, where we go have a beautiful wick down to around that 138 level, buyers come into the market, and then we see the next leg up, of course trapping all the bears. Or this would be the local top opportunity like we saw over at 200, and a massive capitulation to the downside. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.